Nobody wants to suffer. Everyone wants to be very peaceful and prosperous. Why? Because we are originally spiritual spark, part of God, Satchidananda Vigraha, who is eternal, blissful and full of knowledge. Therefore, eternally we are also blissful. So, we are small eternal and God is big eternal. That is the difference. There is a big mine of gold and big earring of gold. Both of them are gold. The quality, chemical quality is the same. So, God is by nature Anandamaya Abhyasa. In the Vedānta-sūtra it is said that God is blissful by nature, always enjoying pleasure. Anandamaya Abhyasa. He is by nature Anandamaya, blissful. Just like we also try to, because we are part and parcel, a small particle of God, we also try to enjoy pleasure. Where from this idea comes? The idea comes from God. In the Vedānta-sūtra it is said, Janmadasya jataha. Everything, whatever we see, it is coming from Him. So, by nature, we should be always engaged in pleasure, potency. But then, why you are in this miserable condition? This question must arise in human form of life. If it does not, then he has not come to the perfection of human life. If he thinks that I am happy, then still he is in animal process of life. He has not developed his human consciousness. If he is self-complacent that I am happy, this is the sign of consciousness. And when it comes to Krishna consciousness, that means he gives up this material consciousness, unhappy consciousness of material existence, and come to the pleasure platform of Krishna, then his life is perfect. Therefore, you have to change the consciousness. In the material platform or in material consciousness, we shall be always suffering by the threefold miseries. Just like this thunderbolt, you Americans, you may think that you are the richest nation in the world, but you cannot avoid this thunderbolt. That is not possible. You may have riches more than other countries, but that does not mean there will be no more thunderbolt in your country. There will be no more disease in your country, no more death in your country. These things must be there in material existence. However, scientifically or economically you may be advanced. So, Janma Mrityu Jara Bhaya, not only on this planet, in every planet you go. Either you go to the moon planet, they are going to the moon planet, although they cannot live there, they come back. Anyway, any planet you go, the four things will follow within this material world. Janma Mrityu Jara Bhaya. Janma means birth, the pains of birth, the pains of death. When a child is born, the mother also suffers from pain and the child also suffers from pain. He is coming out from a packed up condition, suffocated condition. So as soon as the child comes out from the mother's womb, it feels relief. In 7 months, he develops the consciousness and the child suffers too much. He prays. One who is fortunate, he prays to God, my dear Lord, please get me out from this condition. This time I shall simply be devotee. So we have to repeat it, we have to accept repeated birth and death. That is suffering, Janma Mrityu. Then old age, before death, when one is old, the limbs are not so strong, the stomach is not so strong, there are so many diseases. So we are always suffering from diseases, from some kinds of pains. And pleasure, it is simply a mental concoction. There is no pleasure. Actually, there is always pains. Therefore, the Shastric conclusion, we are discussing this point, that we suffer from pains, different miserable condition on account of our sinful life. Therefore, I must surrender into Krishna and engage myself in the service of the Lord. This is called Krishnarpita Prana, dedicated to Krishna. Sadhrichina jayang loki pantha khema kutu bhayam. No, Sukadeva Goswami is recommending. Actually, this is the perfect system, Krishna consciousness. This is the perfect Sadrichin. Samichi just suited. Sadrichina Jayanga Loke. In this material world, this is the perfect system getting uncontaminated or purified from the sinful life. Actually, this is the perfect system, Krishna consciousness.